Hi everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome. How are you? I hope you're good. I was just watching a video and there was this funny moment in it, and I just stopped laughing not long ago. It wasn't supposed to be funny, but it was funny. Anyway, I find humor in the littlest things. Look at my gray hair. Don't look at it. Okay. Who's been working on Dana's challenge? Dana's Wanderlust Crochet, her scarf challenge. Who's been working on it? Huh? I'll link her video below. But I had shown this last week, I think. It was a WIP. Isn't that gorgeous? It's such a beautiful design, and it's squishy, and it's feels like it's going to be very warm. So I finished it. I do have my ends to sew in, but you know, other than that, it's finished. Let me just look. Let me put it on here. It's like reversible. Yes. All right. This is all the yarn I had left. I had a partial ball, and then I had a full ball of I Love This Yarn. It's 100% acrylic, a 4 weight, and its color is Scream, no. Make Noise for Turquoise. It's on the floor. 6mm hook, I think I used. Yeah. Gorgeous! Okay, so I'm working on another one. And it is right here. And it is, it's pretty long already. Oh. The hook's on the floor. It's a 5mm for this one. So this is it right now. It's already pretty long. I'm on the 4th ball. And what I'm doing is I'm using a ball up until it ends, so I don't have any leftovers from the balls, and then just knotting on the next color. So this is a blue, and this is kind of a cream, and it's sparkly. Can you see the sparkles? They're both sparkly. And so yeah, what I want to do is do the blue, the cream, the blue, the cream, and then end with a blue. So it's going to be pretty long. And this yarn is, I still have lots left, lots of balls left. The Crafter Square knitting yarn, it says 100%, oh, polyester. I didn't realize that. Oh, it doesn't matter. 50 grams, 1.70, 1.7 ounces. And this is it. And I think, well, I'm pretty sure this is a Dollar Tree yarn. And it's some of the yarn that I got from Sarah's Little Corner of the Crochet World. And I'll link her below as well. She gave me those big 5 bags of yarn, and if you haven't seen that, oh my goodness, I'll link it wherever it goes. There? Anyway, that was a while back, and I had gone to her place, and she was going through all her yarn, and she just was filling up bags, and so I asked how much do you want for this, and she said, $10. Wow, that was awesome. Thank you again, Sarah. So I'm using it. I used a little bit of it before. I used a couple of yarns, I think, from there already. And now I'm using these Crafter Square. So these are like, I think they're like a thin 4. So I'm using a 5mm for this. So, and I'm working on a shawl tutorial. I'm almost done recording, and I've edited all of the other clips. Excuse me. So yeah, but I always go through it again and see if there's anything I missed editing or whatever. I may, you know, sometimes I need to do a voiceover because I said single crochet instead of double crochet or something, you know, whatever. So to have to do some voiceovers once in a while. But yeah, but I like to go over the whole thing again and make sure that it's, you know, I said everything I needed to say. And I always, when I watch it, after I've edited, well, the whole thing, I'll go over it again and I'll watch it as if I'm watching it for the first time, as if I was not the one recording or talking in it. It helps me to, I guess, kind of relate to the viewer, you guys, when you're watching it. Does that make sense? Yeah, I think it does. All right. So, oh, hey, I'll show you the shawl. The shawl is actually done in the 2-weight yarn, but I did the tutorial in a 4-weight because you can also make it in a 4-weight if you want. And it's easier to crochet around the camera as I'm recording. So hang on a second. I'll go grab the 2-weight one. Just remembered, I can't grab it. I have it blocking right here. And I could have blocked it a bit better, but I don't know. I just don't have all the room. I don't have enough room, and I don't have enough blocking mats here, but it's looking good. It's looking good, though. Yeah. So, yeah, there'll be a tutorial on this, and if all goes well, it'll be this week. Yeah, so that was it. What do you guys think? I'm really proud of it. I really am. I love it so much. So you guys working on the scarves? Are you going to make this shawl? Oh, I'm just trying hard to get that tutorial out. Thanks, guys, for spending some time over here. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you all again soon. All right, bye.